Right, I'm just going to do a quick video. I've got this setting on car, and what it says it's like a little oil can, and it says 52%. Now I thought that was the actual oil that were 52%, so I went and got some oil and I put some oil in. I didn't put much in because I didn't want to get like overfilled and blue smoke out back. I've done that mistake before by accident, so I'm a bit skeptical of putting any more in, so I didn't put any more in. And I've just asked my brother now, and he says he was told that it's a setting feature on the car to tell you when to get your car serviced, apparently, so it looks after your engine. Well, I never knew this because my cars have all been older, and I've never had all these mod cons in and that lot. And my car's only now a 2016, but it's got quite a lot of mod cons in. But yeah, it's something with what VAUXHALls do, they put it in. If I can flip screen, I can show you. I've just reset it now because the oil looks good anyway, it doesn't look dark. That's what it is, it's that little setting there. So yeah, it were at 52%, and I was thinking I needed more oil in. But you don't need more oil in, it's just a setting on VAUXHALls, apparently. I don't know if they have it on any other cars, but it just tells you when you need an oil change, apparently, just to look after your car. But I've looked at my oil and my oil's quite fine. It's still a clear colour, so I think when it goes dark I'll get an oil change and a new filter on. Do you know, just look after your engines, don't you? I mean, if you did it every time, I think you'd be out of pocket quite a lot, wouldn't you? Yeah, it'd probably make your engine run a lot smoother, or smoothly, somebody should I say, I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a video of it, and yeah, just make everyone aware of it, you know, that don't know about it, because I never knew about it. So yeah, there you go.